When you start a car, audio should never surprise you with extreme volume levels. Safety is a core requirement in automotive audio design. Android 15 introduces a powerful flag called Audio Use Min-Max Activation Volume. When this flag is enabled, the system can enforce safe volume limits whenever a sound begins playing. When Audio Use Min-Max Activation Volume is set to true, the system checks volume boundaries at specific trigger points. This avoids sound explosions when a previous driver leaves volume at maximum. At the same time, it ensures critical sounds like navigation guidance are never too quiet to hear. When you configure this feature, you also define when the checks occur. This is done using the invocation type attribute. You can apply limits on boot, so volume is validated when the car starts. You can also apply it on source change, when switching from radio to media apps. This feature is critical for meeting safety regulations while maintaining user comfort. It ensures audio behavior remains controlled without annoying the driver. The system intervenes only when necessary and otherwise respects the user's chosen volume level. This mechanism does not blindly snap volume to a fixed level. The system calculates limits as a percentage of the total gain range. If the current volume is already safe, nothing changes. The system only acts when volume is dangerously high or unusably low.